5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boya, it's celebration time. Give honor where honor is due. Celebrating our apostle, Dr. Stephen L. Pettis, in his 61st birthday bash on Sunday, September 1st, 2024 at 4 p.m. at our West location. Our special guest is Dr. K, the founder and apostle of King's Word Ministries International, the umbrella to King's Word Ministries International churches and the new churches with over 40 campuses in Africa, Europe, and North America. Join us for our theme, Summertime Chic, whites, tan, browns, light blue. Come on, let's have a party for our apostle. Be there to have a party.